Stop right there. What will you do?
I'm making some coffee for us.
But with the strainer?
Yeah, sure.
This cloth strainer is not good at all. You gotta wash it every time. Then it will be full of bacteria. It's better dump it anyway.
Wait, really?
Sure, that's awful.
So how are we gonna make coffee?
I'm gonna show you how you can make coffee much easier and faster, and also, it will be much better.
Are you sure?
Absolute. Let me show you.
Show me then. How are you gonna make this coffee?
First, you need some water. As usual, and now here's the thing. You're gonna let it boil. When it starts to boil, turn off the heat. Take a spoon and let's add the coffee powder. As we like our coffee strong, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons.
You mean you like it strong, right?
Yeah, I like it a little stronger. If you prefer it weaker, 1 or 2 tablespoons are just fine. I'm adding 3 here. Now let's stir for about 1 minute.
But what about the powder?
It will disappears. The coffee is gonna be delicious.
Where did you learn this?
We used to do that a lot there in the army. It's even known as soldier coffee. We also made Tropero coffee a lot. The only difference is that we add coal embers. But it tastes just as good.
That's crazy.
After stirring for about 40 seconds to 1 minute. Now we're just gonna take the bottle and put the coffee inside. Open it up and pour the coffee in. The good point of doing this is that in addition to being delicious, it stays hot for much longer. Now just close the bottle and let's leave it here for 5 minutes, okay? But here's the thing, you can't move it, alright? We have to leave it alone here for 5 minutes. So, 5 minutes already?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
So let's have some coffee, shall we?
Sure, I wanna try it.
I'm sure it's amazing. Let me take the spoon. And check this out, no powder, see?
Wow, that's crazy.
That's cool, right? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now let's add some sugar, just a little bit, and stir. That's perfect.